The world of meme coins is never quiet for long. Pepe coin, after a meteoric rise, just took a sharp 6% dip, reminding everyone how quickly fortunes can change in crypto. This isn't doom, it's a classic case of volatility in action. The coin's surge was fueled by social media hype and a broader crypto rally. But such rallies are fragile. Even the most popular tokens are at the mercy of sudden market shifts. For investors, the lesson is clear: rapid gains often come with rapid corrections. Meme coins like Pepe are driven by sentiment as much as fundamentals. Understanding these swings is key to surviving and thriving in the meme coin market. So what triggered this sudden drop, and what does it mean for Pepe's future? Let's break it down. Pepe's 6% drop. That's a textbook example of profit-taking in action, a move that happens all the time in fast-moving markets like crypto. After a big run-up in price, early investors often decide it's time to lock in their gains. They start selling, which floods the market with sell orders and pushes the price down, sometimes sharply. This is a normal part of any market cycle. Think of it as traders cashing out their winnings after a lucky streak at the casino. It's not just about greed, it's about managing risk and making sure profits don't slip away. Short-term traders, especially those using bots or strict trading strategies, tend to sell in large numbers when they sense momentum slowing. This can amplify the dip, making the price drop even faster. It's a domino effect. One sale triggers another, and soon the correction accelerates as more traders rush to exit before prices fall further. Broader market sentiment also plays a huge role. When major coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum start to wobble, traders get nervous and often dump riskier assets like meme coins to protect their portfolios. Pepe's drop wasn't a sign of project failure or a sudden loss of faith. Instead, it was a mix of profit-taking, automated trading, and a slight shift in the overall market mood, something that happens regularly in crypto. In the world of crypto, these corrections are routine. They're part of the natural ebb and flow, and they help keep markets healthy by shaking out weak hands. The key takeaway? Volatility is the norm, not the exception, especially when hype is running high and everyone's talking about the next big thing. Understanding why traders sell, whether it's to secure profits, follow a strategy, or react to market news, helps you anticipate these moves and avoid getting caught off guard. It's not panic, it's the market breathing, taking a pause before the next move. These cycles are healthy and necessary for long-term growth. For meme coins, these ups and downs are just part of the game. If you're in this space, expect wild swings and be ready for the ride. So, let's see what this volatility can teach us about surviving and thriving on the meme coin roller coaster. Meme coins are the roller coasters of finance, wild, fast, and unpredictable. Just like the thrill of a sudden drop or a sharp turn on a coaster, the world of meme coins is filled with heart-pounding moments that can leave even seasoned investors breathless. Unlike blue-chip stocks that move slowly and steadily, meme coins like Pepe can swing wildly in hours, sometimes even minutes. Their prices can double or halve before you've had your morning coffee, making every day an adventure. Their value isn't tied to earnings or assets, but to hype, internet trends, and the collective belief of a passionate online community. A single viral tweet or meme can send prices soaring, while a shift in sentiment can trigger a rapid fall. 1 minute, everyone's buying in a frenzy. The next, the excitement fades and prices tumble just as quickly. It's a cycle of euphoria and panic that repeats over and over. This volatility is both the appeal and the risk. It's what draws people in, promising the possibility of overnight riches, but it's also what makes meme coins so dangerous for the unprepared. Massive gains lure in thrill seekers and risk takers, but losses can be just as dramatic, wiping out fortunes in the blink of an eye. The emotional highs and lows are not for the faint of heart. A 6% drop in a meme coin? That's just another day in this wild market. What would be a disaster for a traditional stock is often shrugged off by meme coin traders. For traditional stocks, a sudden dip is a crisis. For meme coins, it's business as usual. The rules are different here, and expectations are constantly being rewritten. If you're in this market, expect sharp moves up and down. The pace is relentless and fortunes can change in an instant. The key is to ride the waves, not get swept away. Staying calm and keeping your emotions in check is crucial when the market gets turbulent. Understanding the nature of meme coin volatility is essential for survival. It's about knowing when to hold on tight and when to step off the ride. Next, let's look at how traders find their footing when the market shakes, and what strategies help them stay upright in the chaos. Support levels are the psychological floors of crypto trading. When prices fall, traders look for familiar price points, places where buyers previously stepped in. These levels act like magnets, drawing in buyers who see a bargain. For Pepe, the recent dip found support at a key level, sparking renewed buying. Support isn't random, it's shaped by collective memory and trading history. When enough traders believe a price will hold, their buying creates real stability. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. Belief becomes reality. Watching these levels helps traders spot when a correction might end. Pepe's bounce after the drop shows the power of support zones. In meme coin markets, psychology is as important as charts. Next, let's explore how community hype fuels these wild swings. Meme coins like Pepe thrive on community energy, not traditional fundamentals. Unlike established cryptocurrencies that rely on technology or utility, meme coins are powered by the collective enthusiasm of their supporters. It's not about what the coin does, but how many people are talking about it, sharing memes, and building a sense of belonging around it. Their value is built on memes, social media buzz, and the passion of their fans. Every viral post, every trending hashtag, and every inside joke adds fuel to the fire, making the coin more visible and desirable. The internet's ability to amplify trends means that a single meme can spark a global movement almost overnight. The more active and creative the community, the higher the hype and the price. Communities organize meme contests, create viral videos, and even coordinate mass buying events, all to keep the momentum going. This creativity is the secret sauce that keeps meme coins in the spotlight. Pepe's recent rally was all about viral momentum, not tech upgrades or partnerships. News spreads fast, and when the right meme catches on, it can send prices soaring in a matter of hours. It's a phenomenon unique to the digital age, where attention is currency. Social platforms like X, Reddit, and Telegram are the real battlegrounds for meme coin value. Here, influencers, traders, and everyday fans come together to share updates, hype up the coin, and sometimes even coordinate their moves. The conversation never stops, and every post can move the market. Hype creates a feedback loop. Rising prices fuel more excitement, which attracts new buyers. As more people jump in, the buzz grows louder and the cycle repeats. This self-reinforcing loop can drive prices to incredible highs, but it can also make the ride unpredictable. But internet attention is fickle. When the hype fades, so does the price. The same forces that drive a coin up can send it crashing down just as quickly. It's a double-edged sword that every meme coin investor must respect. Meme coins can soar or crash based on the community's mood. One day, everyone's celebrating, the next, the excitement is gone. It's a wild ride, and only those who understand the power of sentiment can hope to keep up. Monitoring online activity is as important as watching the charts. Savvy traders keep an eye on trending topics, meme formats, and influencer posts to gauge where the hype is heading next. In the world of meme coins, memes are the fundamentals. They're the heartbeat of the community, the inside jokes that bind people together, and the spark that ignites every rally. The community's energy can make or break a coin's future. When people unite behind a meme, they can move markets and create real value out of thin air. That's why Pepe's fate is tied to its online following. As long as the community stays engaged and the memes keep flowing, the coin has a shot at staying relevant. But what happens when the hype cools off? Let's talk corrections. For newcomers, a sharp drop feels like disaster, but corrections are healthy. Markets need to pause, catch their breath, and shake out weak hands. Corrections let the market digest gains and build a stronger foundation. They transfer coins from short-term speculators to long-term believers. Meme coins, with their rapid surges, are especially prone to sharp pullbacks. Corrections reset expectations and prepare the market for the next move. Every major crypto has seen this cycle: rally, correction, consolidation, then another rally. Understanding this pattern helps investors stay calm and avoid panic selling. Corrections aren't a bug, they're a feature of healthy markets. For Pepe, this dip could be just another step in its ongoing story. So, what's next for the frog-themed coin? After a correction, what's next for Pepe? Scenario 1. The dip was a healthy pause, and the price rebounds as confidence returns. Scenario 2. Pepe trades sideways, consolidating as the community waits for the next catalyst to emerge. Scenario 3. The hype fades, support breaks, and the price enters a longer decline. In meme coins, community energy is everything. If the memes keep flowing, so can the gains. But if attention shifts elsewhere, Pepe could struggle. The future depends on market sentiment and the strength of the online community. Stay alert to shifts in hype and support levels. Crypto is unpredictable, but understanding these cycles gives you an edge. For the latest on Pepe and the crypto market, keep watching Crypto Insider for updates.